Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. What mathematical term refers to the middle number in a sequence? Is it A, the range, B, the mean, C, the mode, or D, the median? The answer is D, the median.
The concept of the median in mathematics can be traced back to ancient Egypt, where it was used to determine the fair distribution of goods among heirs. This historical connection adds a fascinating layer to understanding how the median continues to play a crucial role in modern statistical analysis and decision-making processes.
Question 2. What would you call a baby whale? Is it A, a gosling, B, a calf, C, a pharaoh, or D, a caterpillar? The answer is B, a calf.
Did you know that baby whales, known as calves, are born already knowing how to swim? Within just a few hours of being born, they can navigate the waters alongside their mothers. This remarkable ability helps them stay close and safe in the vast ocean from a very young age.
Question 3. What is nosology the study of? Is it A, the characteristics of the skull, B, mental processes in living creatures, C, disease classification, or D, the theological study of redemption? The answer is C, disease classification.
Did you know that the term nosology comes from the Greek words nosos meaning disease and logos meaning study? This field of study focuses on classifying diseases based on their symptoms and characteristics, helping healthcare professionals better understand and categorize various medical conditions for accurate diagnosis and treatment.
Question 4. What process is used when kidneys are not working properly? Is it A, dialysis, B, chemotherapy, C, physiotherapy, or D, radiation? The answer is A, dialysis.
Did you know that the concept of dialysis dates back to ancient times? The earliest form of dialysis was documented in the 4th century BC by Greek physician Hippocrates, who used a technique involving the extraction and reinfusion of blood to treat patients with kidney-related symptoms. This early method laid the foundation for modern dialysis procedures.
Question 5. What is iron oxide commonly known as? Is it A, heavy water, B, hematite, C, table salt, or D, chloroform? The answer is B, hematite.
Hematite, also known as iron oxide, has been used for centuries in jewelry and ornamentation. Ancient Egyptians believed it had protective powers and used it in amulets. The mineral's name comes from the Greek word haima, meaning blood, due to its reddish color when powdered.
Question 6. What is the chemical calcium carbonate often used for? Is it A, it is used as a building material, B, it is used in laundry detergent, C, it is used to preserve food, or D, it is used to manufacture drywall? The answer is A, it is used as a building material.
Calcium carbonate is not only used as a building material but also has a fascinating role in the animal kingdom. Many marine organisms like corals, clams, and snails use calcium carbonate to build their shells and skeletons. These structures are essential for protection and support in these creatures' underwater habitats.
Question 7. What plant species, whose scientific name is Chrysanthemum maximum, includes the Shasta variety? Is it A. Daisy, B. Orchid, C. Tulip, or D. Rose? The answer is A. Daisy.
The Shasta daisy, a popular garden flower, is a hybrid created by Luther Burbank in the late 19th century. Named after Mount Shasta in California, this variety of Chrysanthemum maximum features large white petals surrounding a bright yellow center. It has become a symbol of purity and innocence in floral arrangements worldwide.
Question 8. What is calcium magnesium carbonate commonly known as? Is it A. Marsh gas, B. Baking soda, C. Gypsum, or D. Dolomite? The answer is D. Dolomite.
Dolomite, known as calcium magnesium carbonate, is not just a mineral but also a rock type. This unique rock is often used in gardening to help balance soil pH levels and provide essential nutrients for plant growth. So next time you're tending to your garden, remember that dolomite is more than just a pretty rock.
Question 9. Which protocol is used to send and receive emails? Is it A. DNS, B. HTTP, C. SMTP, or D. FTP? The answer is C. SMTP.
SMTP, which stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, was first introduced in 1982. Interestingly, the original specification for SMTP did not include any provisions for authentication or encryption, making it vulnerable to security threats. Over time, additional protocols like SSL and TLS were developed to address these concerns and enhance email security.
As we bid adieu, remember, in the world of science and nature, every answer is a discovery waiting to be made. Keep exploring, stay curious. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. See you later, until tomorrow comes around.
This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.